Question 7 is 3 marks. The question says Tim buys a bracelet for 4,000 Swiss francs. The value of the bracelet increases by 7% each year. This is important. Work out the value of the bracelet at the end of 3 years. Give your answer correct to the nearest Swiss franc. Now, why did I say this is important? This is important because at the end of the first year, the value will be, let's just do it this way. I'll do it in 2 different ways so you understand it. Now, for the first year, it's going to be 4,000, the main value, times the increase. So it's going to be 1.07. If you don't know why I said 1.07, because it's going to be 4,000, the main value, plus 7% of 4,000, isn't it? Now, 4,000 is the original amount, and this is the increase 7% of 4,000, which is 0.07 times 4,000. That's why it's 4,000 plus 0.07, which is 4,000 plus 0.07 of 4,000. That's why it's 1.07. If this is complicated, whenever it's increased, just do 1 plus the percent. If it's decreased, do 1 minus the decrease. Now let's see, how much is this? 4,000 times 1.07. It gives you 4,280. Now for the second year, it's going to be 4,280 times 1.07 again. So it's going to be times 1.07. So that gave me 4579.6. Now the third year is going to be 4579 times 1.07 again, because it increases by 1.07 every year. So at the end of the third year is 4900.172. Since the question says correct to the nearest Swiss franc, so it's just 4900. Now this is one way of doing this question. There is another way. This is compound interest. So the compound interest formula says the final amount is equal to the original amount times 1 plus the percent divided by 100 to the number of terms or years. Now to find the final amount is equal to the original amount, which is 4,000. 1 plus the percent is 7 over 100. Since they ask you after 3 years, so it's just to the power of 3. Now, do you know, if you just plug this in your calculator, just write it like how it looks like now, you will get 4,900, the same answer. So it's up to you. You can do it year by year. You can do it the compound interest formula. It's good if they ask you after 10 years or 15 years. It's better to use the compound interest. And that's it for this question.